Good morning, my audience. It's 6:33 a.m. I woke up on a bad mood. I was in deep sleep, and this idiot, snoring bothers me when I do it, and he makes me snore. He woke me up snoring, make me snore, just so he can torture me. Start talking like I want to talk, like we're friends. Deep sleep. Acting as if we were friends. And then he put this pressure, this pain in my chest. Like when you have the flu or something and that really painful, he put that on me. Like, what kind of cycle is this? Why would you do that? We're not friends. I'm homeless, and sleeping means a lot to me when I can sleep, Because all I do all day is sit at the library, nowhere to lay down, until 9 p.m. again. Like, what are you, idiot? Grow up. Get a life. Stupid idiot. Anyways, my audience, I'm pretty sure you all are tired of hearing me complain about shit like this. Look how, is it 2 weeks now that I put that ultimatum? And even before that, from the get-go, 2022, like, I choose death, Christ, and I don't want anything from you. And yet still. Stupid. Anyways, I'm sorry to be bothering you all with my complaining. Have a nice day. Stay safe. It's snowing out there. I don't know how cold it is, but there's a lot of snow on the ground, so stay safe.
Thank you.
Stay safe, okay?